Have you ever happily imagined a peaceful end-of-year holiday, only for nature to suddenly disrupt everything? That is exactly what happened on December 21st, 2025, along the coast of South Africa. The beach was crowded with people enjoying the relaxed holiday atmosphere until extreme weather arrived and changed everything in a matter of moments.
The water is hitting the window at such a force and such a speed. The veranda has taken a beating.
The Christmas holiday in the Margate area was hit by strong winds reaching 63 kilometers per hour. While not as powerful as a cyclone, the winds were strong enough to knock down trees and trigger power outages. The thunderstorm did not only bring darkness, but also relentless rain that simply refused to stop.
Margate coming down to the cove.
From Ramsgate and 1020 to Margate and Port Shepstone, including the CBD Business District and Shelly Centre Mall, large areas were submerged by floodwaters. Cars were left stranded and broke down, forcing people to push them through flooded streets. Road infrastructure and commercial properties were damaged, turning a holiday atmosphere into widespread chaos. This flash flood has sparked sharp criticism. It's clear that the issue isn't just the rain, but clogged drains due to a complete lack of maintenance. Come on, we're almost at the end of 2025. It's absolutely unacceptable that a city famous for its stunning natural beauty should be completely paralyzed just because of neglected drains. Sending my prayers to KwaZulu-Natal.